Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to carry out the following trickery. When I bought the leaf blower, I didn't realize before buying it that it will have at the end a very big hole. So it's not the best for the purpose that I bought it for, namely to blow the water off the cars. So what I'm planning to do is to cut it in half, because anyway it's too long as well. It's a bit uncomfortable sometimes to move it around. So cut it in half, and I try to make the end a bit flat, so it would be better for the airflow for me. And finally that gives me at least a reason to put the vise up the table, which I bought like over 2 years ago, and somehow I never was in the mood to install it. So let's do it now. Well, it looks much better now. It's shorter, easier to handle, and the end of it, or the exit hole for the airflow, is now narrower. So let's give it a go. Right, boys and girls, that was the story of my leaf blower and device. Of course, you can make it nicer, you can make it even more narrow. Maybe I'm even going to do it later on, but at the moment I'm going to try like this. It looked like more powerful. I mean, the airflow looked more powerful now, so we will see. I'm pretty sure it is going to be easier to handle because it's shorter. Anywho, that was it about the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bar. Sorry, the bell, not the notification bar. Wow. Maybe there should be something like a notification bar, but anyway. So the notification bell, and that way you are not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.